DSK Motowheels announced the legendary Italian superbike brand Benelli's dealership network across North India on 3rd June in the capital. Benelli's super stylish motorbikes are known for their Italian flamboyance and high-performance experience. With its first showroom set up at Faiz Road, Karol Bagh, under the dealership of Superbikes, DSK Motowheels aims to expand its reach across northern India. The event showcased the launch of 5 premium superbikes to reach out to the large market of biking enthusiasts in the country. Speaking at the launch, Shirish Kulkarni, chairman of DSK Motowheels, shared his experience about working with different brands in the past while announcing the opening of the first DSK Benelli showroom.
It's been great. I mean, we've been working with international brands for the past 15 odd years now. Every brand has taught us something different. So let it be Toyota, let it be Hyosung, let it be Benelli. So all in all, I think it's been fun, and moving forward, it's just going to be even greater, as the days go by. Benelli in Delhi should be able to get you at least a 20 to 25% growth every year, minimum.
The huge media turnout was testimony to the immense popularity of the Benelli brand name in the country. Don't forget to subscribe to Trendspotters.tv for more such updates.